Want to stay ahead in tech trends? Check out these 11 innovative gadgets and inventions of 2024 that you can purchase immediately. Apollo Sign Pack Go. And you thought briefcases were just for secret spies and businessmen? Meet the Apollo Sign Pack Go. This isn't your ordinary briefcase. It's a 27-inch smart screen that fits comfortably in its case. Imagine having a portable cinema or presentation screen wherever you go. Running on Android, this gadget boasts over 6 hours of battery life and includes 3D speakers for an immersive experience. With Bluetooth, wireless screen mirroring, and multi-interface inputs, it's perfect for those who love spending time outdoors without missing out on entertainment and planning a picnic. Use the Apollo Sign to play a movie or even give a presentation. Now that's versatility. R400 Retro CD Player. Next up, we have a blast from the past with a modern twist. The R400 Retro CD Player. Remember the Discman? This is like its futuristic sibling, bringing back the charm of physical media in the digital age. The R400 features a classic design with mechanical keys and a handy stand. While it doesn't have the old bass boost or random track features, it offers pure, uncompressed sound quality, taking you back to a simpler time. Perfect for those who miss the tactile experience of CDs. Duke & Loft Penthouse. Dreaming of a luxurious camping experience? Check out the Duke & Loft Penthouse. This isn't just a tent, it's a 2-level modular living space set up in 15 minutes. Whether at the beach or in the woods, the Duke & provides ample space and comfort. The elevated legs keep you off the sand, and you can even open the top flap for stargazing. It's designed for flexibility, comfortably fit 2 people, or expand it to house over 10. Get ready for a mind-blowing outdoor experience. Big Me. Say hello to Big Me, the all-in-one e-ink color computer and monitor. With a 23.5-inch Kaleido 3 e-ink screen, this device is a game changer for those who spend hours reading or working on screens. It features an Intel i5, complete voice control, and an adjustable front light that's easy on the eyes. You get the feel of reading off printed paper with the benefits of a digital device. Plus, Big Me is perfect for both work and leisure, with 3K resolution, X-Rapid refresh tech, and plenty of USB-C and HDMI ports. Protect 1206i security buffs. This one's for you. The Protect 1206i is a modern bug detector that scans for digital transmissions your spy enemies might have hidden. With its wideband and micropointer antennas, it can detect frequencies from Bluetooth to LTE. The device uses a visual bar graph to help you locate signals, making it like a high-tech game of hot and cold. Ensure your space is secure with the Protect 1206i, 1X GPU. Calling all gamers and graphic designers, the 1X GPU is here to revolutionize your portable computing experience. This is the world's first portable eGPU with built-in storage, featuring an AMD Radeon RX 7600 MXT and 8 GB of GDDR6 RAM. Designed to eliminate frame drops and lag, it's perfect for enhancing your laptop's performance, whether gaming or editing Ultra HD videos. With Oculink and USB 4 connectivity, the 1X GPU lets you game or work anywhere with top-notch graphics. Knock-free Lite. For the creators and minimalists, we present the Knock-free Lite. This 60% compact split mechanical keyboard is wireless, hot-swappable, and fully programmable. It's compatible with Mac and Windows, and its minimalist design is super comfortable. You can tent up the keyboard and use it wired or wireless. Plus, it comes with a palm rest, making it ideal for long typing sessions. A perfect addition to your tech setup. Aries Bed. Ever wished you could take your bed with you everywhere? Now you can with the Aries Bed. This inflatable bedding set is fast to set up, inflating to a queen-sized bed in just 3 minutes without any external pump. It includes a 50,000 revolutions per minute motor that ensures quick inflation and deflation. Everything, including your sheets and mattress, fits into a small carry-on bag. Whether you're glamping or need an emergency bed, the Aries Bed has you covered. Portal Necklace. Adding a touch of style and tech, meet the Portal Necklace. This infinity necklace isn't just a piece of jewelry, it's a vibrant LED display that creates over 100 different light patterns. Controlled by a phone app, it's perfect for raves, dance parties, and weddings. With up to 7 hours of battery life or 10 hours with the Pro version, the Portal is sound and motion reactive, syncing with the beat of the music. Make a statement wherever you go. Tony R Walkie-Talkies. Stay connected on your outdoor adventures with Tony R Walkie-Talkies. These voice-controlled, hands-free walkie-talkies work with Bluetooth 5.3 and are waterproof up to IPX6 standards. Perfect for hiking, skiing, or cycling, Tony R lets you communicate over 800 meters with crystal-clear sound. Featuring noise reduction and 7 different channels, it's the ultimate tool for group communication during any activity. Tuck it into your helmet or clip it to your gear, and you're all set to stay in touch with your buddies. Guide bag. Last but not least, we have the Guide Bag, a life-proof, waterproof, and odor-proof marvel. This modular bag is designed to adapt to your needs, whether you're commuting, hitting the gym, or embarking on an outdoor adventure. It features 2 adjustable straps that can be configured to 6 different attachment points, allowing you to carry it in multiple ways. The Guide Bag comes in 2 sizes, the True North with a 3-sided opening and improved strap fabric, and the Go Forth, a smaller model with a 2-sided opening. Both are perfect for keeping your gear safe and dry, no matter where life takes you. And there you have it, folks. 11 incredible gadgets and inventions of 2024 that you can buy right now. From the innovative Apollo Sign Pack Go to the versatile Guide Bag, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gamer, an outdoor adventurer, or just someone who loves cool gadgets, these products are sure to impress. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates. And if you want to get your hands on any of these gadgets, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.